Want to turn your training videos into full interactive courses that your team actually finishes? Here's how to do it, and it takes less time than editing the video itself. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about ProProfs, so stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see how this tool can change your life. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm logged into ProProfs right now. Please make sure that you go to ProProfs.com. I only want you to go to the official website and not any other. So this is how the dashboard will present itself. As you can see, the designers clearly took some time to put this together. It's easy to understand and it is well put together. So as you can see right here, we have the training maker, quiz maker, survey maker, which are one of the top three stuff that you will, and that is one of the top three stuff that you will use, as well as the courses, your classroom, and all of these templates where you can create a course for your team. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to run you through exactly how to use ProProfs, show you how to create a course, and show you all of the time and money saving benefits that ProProf has. Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing now is we are going to click on create a course. So as you can see, it's loading now, and you can literally choose from any of these following templates, or you can do it from scratch, and you are able to directly upload your video. No tech setup needed. And another great thing is that you can add supporting materials like short notes, slides, PDFs for your team to follow along. So if you have your whole video put out and you have some notes that you want to add, you can do that as well. So it will just help your employees or your team follow along. And everything will be neatly structured in one module, so the learning path will be clear. There will be no distractions. Your team will be able to complete the course easy because it will be well organized and structured. Okay guys, so I'm going to go back to the main page now, and as I mentioned earlier, there is a training maker, a quiz maker, and a survey maker. So what you can do is when you create your course or your video, you can make it engaging and interactive by adding in these quiz makers and survey. That will be a big game changer. Okay guys, so you can drop quizzes, polls, and checkpoints throughout your whole video to test the understanding of your employees or your team doing the course. So that is a great way to figure out if your video is actually right for them and if the people that are doing the course actually understands what's going on. Okay guys, and another thing is that you can add your own branding to these courses. So you can add your own colors, your own logos, your own domain to make the course feel like your own. So that is another great feature that ProProf has. Okay guys, so ProProfs also has an AI tool where you can go to your course or your video and they will automatically make a summary and set up a bunch of questions for you. So you don't have to do a single thing. The AI will automatically summarize your video and get a bunch of questions ready about your video. Guys, so when it comes to your students or the people doing your course, ProProfs will actually automatically record all of the data, whether it is who completed the course, how far they are in the course, and many more stats about your users or your classroom. So it will track which students actually watched, skipped sections, or completed some of the sections. You can also add certificates and reminders, making compliance and onboarding effortless. Okay guys, so ProProfs is perfect for HR teams, business owners, or trainers that want to build video-based learning content. Okay guys, so keep in mind that both your courses and videos can be watched on mobile devices as well as desktop devices. So this is perfect for the remote teams. You don't have to sit at your desktop the whole time. You can watch the videos and courses on your phone. And they also have 24/7 hour support at your fingertips. So if you have any questions, please make sure to go to the 24/7 hour support. If you want to turn your employee training videos into full interactive courses that your team actually completes, start your free trial at ProProfs LMS today. It's fast, easy, and built for real results. So if you're new to the channel and enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.